and welcome to Learn with Posts from My Wall. I'm Lisa. Have you been looking for a way to organize your social media posts and your email campaigns all in one single planner with a visual calendar? If you have, today is your lucky day. Posts from My Wall's newest Premium Plus feature, Content Planner, is a single source where you can plan, schedule, and manage your social media campaigns and your email marketing campaigns all in one place. It's so super simple. Here's how it works. Access the Content Planner in the left-hand column of My Stuff. Once you're in Content Planner, you'll see the calendar, and there will be a small preview of each scheduled post or campaign on the day it's scheduled to be posted or sent out. A quick toggle of the filter enables you to view just email campaigns you've scheduled, just social media campaigns, or both. You can create both social media posts and email campaigns directly from the Content Planner. To create a social media campaign, either click the plus sign on the top right or the plus sign on the day that you want to schedule the content for. Select Social Media Post. Select the design, graphic, or video that you'd like to use. Next, you can add your caption. Click the social media platform or platforms you want to post to. Choices are Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Then click Schedule to publish immediately, or click Publish later if you'd like to schedule your post for another time. Pick the date and the time that you want your post to go live. You can always come back later and change the publishing date and time. Click Done and then Schedule. After a few seconds of processing, your post is scheduled. If you create a social media post in the design editor, it'll automatically be added to the calendar as well. You can schedule email campaigns the exact same way. Click the plus sign and then select Email Campaign. From there, you can either browse the email template gallery and select a design to customize, or click My Emails to select an email you have already customized. When your design opens in the editor, review it and make any final edits or adjustments. Then click Schedule to select the date and time you want your email to be sent. From there, follow the prompts to prepare your email. After your email has been scheduled, it will appear in the Content Planner. If you schedule an email campaign from the design editor, it will automatically appear in the calendar as well. If you'd like to reschedule a post or campaign, click on the post in the Content Planner. When it opens, you can view the status of your email, which platforms you're posting to. You can edit your post in any way you want, or you can change the date it's scheduled for. Content Planner is a Premium Plus feature, so you'll need a Premium Plus subscription to use it. To make it easier, we have a promo code for you. Use code PLANNER30 and you'll get 30% off on an upgrade to Premium Plus or a new Premium Plus subscription. See the link in the class description and give Content Planner a try. Please share this video with any friends or colleagues that you think might benefit from using the Content Planner. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you're interested in more Posts from My Wall tips and tools, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.